The Samsung Galaxy A56 is gaining certifications at a faster pace than expected. Just yesterday, the A56 5G appeared in the FCC database in the US, reinforcing the likelihood of an imminent global launch. While the documentation didn't reveal everything, it did confirm key details, such as the battery and charging specifications. The paperwork lists the model code as SM-A56EXDS, which appears to be the same EEE variant typically released in international markets. The device will support 5G connectivity across multiple antenna bands, including N1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 20, 28, 28, 40, 41, 66, 77, and 78, making it a strong contender for reliable network reception in 5G-enabled regions. Samsung is maintaining the aluminum side rails and glass back for the A56's build, but the camera island has undergone a noticeable redesign, as seen in the images. The device has appeared in the IMEI database, where its official marketing name and model number, SMA566BDS, were revealed. This indicates that the phone will feature 5G connectivity and a dual SIM card slot. First renders of the Galaxy A56 have surfaced, showcasing a sleeker design with flat sides and thinner bezels. The images shared by OnLeaks on Android headlines highlight a design that mirrors the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus with flat sides. The key island design, introduced with the Galaxy A55, is also present on the A56, though the camera hump is less pronounced. The bezels around the screen appear to be more uniform and thinner compared to the Galaxy A55, and the phone will feature a triple camera setup on the rear. The Galaxy A55 marked a significant improvement for Samsung's premium mid-range A series, delivering better performance thanks to mid-range Exynos chips. It served as the true successor to the Galaxy A52s, which was previously considered the fastest and smoothest A-series phone. Sources at Galaxy Club have shared the rumored camera specifications for the Galaxy A56. The setup is expected to be similar to last year's model, with one notable change. Here's the rumored configuration: 50 megapixel primary, wide, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro, 12 megapixel selfie. Additionally, the Galaxy A56 is expected to feature the new Exynos 1580 chip, recently unveiled by Samsung. The Exynos 1580 chip, marketed with the tagline "super smooth, extremely efficient," comes with the following raw hardware specifications: manufacturing process, 4nm EUV FinFET, CPU, 3-cluster setup, 1 dice Cortex A720 core at 2.9 GHz, 3 dice Cortex 720 cores at 2.6 GHz, 4 Cortex A520 cores at 1.95 GHz, GPU, Xclipse 540, AI engine, 6K Mac NPU. Memory support, LPDR5 display support, FHD plus display at 144 Hz, camera support, 200 megapixel camera, 4K 60 FPS video encoding decoding, connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, 5G. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.